You spend a lot of time inside your home, but when it comes to water and the potential water damage, it's good to inspect the outside of your home too. So let's start with your water meter. This is a good first place to start to check for any signs of leaks. And turn off all the faucets in and around your home and even your sprinkler system. Your water meter should not be running. If you see it spinning, it's a good sign you have a leak somewhere around your home. Then you can check your main shutoff valve, usually in front of the house by the street. From here, you can do a quick walk around and check each faucet and make sure they're closing properly. Another cause for home floods are rain gutters, especially clogged ones. So be sure to inspect and clean out your gutters often. If you have a sprinkler system, look out for bad irrigation and faulty sprinkler heads. Repair and replace them accordingly, and you should be set. Be sure to check on these spots often and watch our other videos for more tips.